In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Kling AI sound feature. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find it, how to choose the right mode, and how to craft prompts that produce clean, usable audio. Start by opening the Kling AI website and signing into your account. This feature requires an active subscription with available credits because each generation consumes some. If you're low on credits, top them up before you begin so you don't get interrupted mid-creation. Once you're in, head to the main workspace and select All Tools. This is the quickest way to see everything Kling offers in one place and ensures you don't miss the sound options among the visual tools. From the catalog, open the sound generation section. This is where the audio features live. Think of it as your hub for turning ideas into sound effects, ambience, or simple backing tracks that support your video projects. Inside, you'll see two paths. Choose video to audio if you're working from a video and want Kling to create audio that aligns with what's on screen. This is a great choice for matching mood and pacing to visuals. Or choose text to audio if you're starting from a concept and want Kling to produce sound purely from your written description. This is ideal for sound effects, ambience layers, or background music cues when you don't have footage yet. Next, it's time to write your prompt. Simple phrases can work beautifully, like soft rain, crowd cheering, dog barking, or cinematic background music. For more control, add mood, style, or intensity, such as soft rain with distant thunder, low, cinematic ambience with gentle strings, or energetic crowd cheering in a stadium. Be clear and concise. Specific words guide the model toward the texture you want, while overly vague prompts can produce generic results. If your project has a vibe in mind, calm, suspenseful, playful, include that tone. If timing matters, note whether you want something short and subtle or fuller and evolving. When your prompt is ready, click Generate. Kling will process your request and use a credit for the render. Processing time can vary based on complexity, so give it a moment. Once it's done, you'll have a sound output aligned with your description or your chosen mode. If you need to steer it differently, refine your wording and generate again until it fits your scene. That's all there is to it. Sign in with credits, open all tools, select sound generation, pick video to audio or text to audio, write a focused prompt, and generate your sound.